What up, YouTube? Kind of already started the process of doing all my Vanos line. Goes in right there. That line that's taken off already. Like I said, already started. This is the actual new part. Chase bays. It's stainless steel. It's not that OEM rubber that always breaks. Yeah, so I'm gonna give this a try. Hopefully it works out good. Don't really want to, try to give off steps onto doing this, mainly because it's my first time. But what I've done so far is you can't get a socket onto this side. This goes right there, the banjo bolts right there. And those are for the airbox that I took out right here. It's down there now. But yeah, you'll need a either a 3/4 or a 19. 3/4 wrench or a 19mm wrench. Take that out. I got a 19-inch. What's it at? So little thing right here got fit perfectly in between the cracks to get. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, to get it basically back there. I got it loose actually, so I'm gonna take it out, and that's basically it. It's not super hard. I'm gonna take it out and show you the differences between the lines and whatever when I get it out. But yeah, you're just basically a bunch of 19s. Some people do remove this reservoir, the power steering reservoir, or not remove it, but like literally just put it to the side. I don't feel the need to because I got enough room with the airbox removed. I'm getting an O-ring, as you can see, because it's super gunked up. So yeah, I'm fixing this because this is leaking, and as you can see, there's kind of some oil down there. Should go wash the block off when I'm done with this. I tried to wash it off as best as I could before, but it is what it is. But yeah, I'm about to try to take it out and show you guys the difference between the two products. Yeah, so here's the the new one compared to the old one. So all stainless steel. It's wrapped in, I don't know what the fuck it's wrapped in, but this is like all stainless steel under it. Feels pretty hefty compared to this one. And I don't know, someone can tell me, because I can actually twist this. I don't know if that's supposed to be able to or not, but yeah, I don't know. Like I said, it was leaking, so I was gonna replace it anyways. New one looks way better. It's like I said, some Chase bays. It's like 70 bucks, I think, $69.99, maybe $79.99. I don't remember. Either way, it's not a bad price for stainless steel. I'm gonna go in there and put it in and start her up and see what goes on. See if it leaks or not. All right, guys, got it all done. Fit really well. The hardest part is trying to line them up, since it's stainless steel. Like it doesn't bend as easy as the rubber one over there. So the hardest part is getting the banjo bolts to line up. You have to like really try hard. This one wasn't super hard. It was mainly this one back here, but I got it in there and tightened it up pretty tight. I don't know the torque specs. I don't think there is, or actually there is. I think it's 7 foot-pounds, but clearly you can't get a torque wrench in either of those areas. So just tighten it where it's like doesn't want to go no more, or like by hand tight basically, and give it a quarter of a turn, maybe that. Start the car and see if it leaks. If it leaks, tighten just a tiny bit more, but don't go overboard, because you will either break the bolts or strip out the part the bolts go in. So I'm gonna start it up real quick and see if it leaks. That actually concludes this video. Pretty simple, pretty easy. You can move the power steering reservoir for a little more room. Like I said, I didn't have to. I should have moved it so you could see a little better down there, honestly, if anything, but I didn't really have to move it, but it does help. Yeah, so please like, subscribe, share. If I could do anything better in my videos, let me know. I should have brought the head thing for my GoPro. I want to start recording with this because it's more handheld. I can get it dirty, unlike the camera that I've been using. So but yeah, I should have brought the head thing to actually show you guys what I did. But like I said, it wasn't that hard. Take that first bolt off, take the second one out back there. Don't forget to plug everything back in. I unplugged the alternator. That, I don't know what that is for. It might be a temperature sensor, I'm not sure. and the oil pressure sensor, I believe that is. And then I don't think there's anything up here, was there? No. So just those three. 1, 2, 3. The alternator right there and right there. Other than that, yeah, don't forget to plug that back in. And yeah, very simple. But yeah, like I said, thanks for watching. If I could do better, let me know what I can do better. Yeah, see you guys next video.